This is the exercise 9.3. And question is, if A, B, C and D are in GP, question is, if question number 25, if A, B, C and D are in GP, then so that question is, A square plus B square plus C square, A square plus B square plus C square in second bracket, B square C square plus C square plus D square. This is equal to AB plus BC plus CD whole square. This is the question. So question is, if A, B, C and D are in GP, then so that A square plus B square plus C square, first bracket, in second bracket B square plus C square plus D square equal to AB plus BC plus CD whole square. So how we prove that? Dear student, firstly it is given that if A, B, C and D are in GP, it means first term A equal to A and B equal to AR, C equal to AR square and D equal to AR cube. This is the, then ABCD are in GP. Now take the LHS. LHS, A square plus B square plus C square in first bracket, second bracket, B square C square plus D square. Now put the value here. A square as it is, at the place of B, AR. So we can write A square R square. C square means A square R to the power. This is in first bracket. Now in second bracket, A square R square plus A square the power 4 plus A square R to the power 6. Anything is common here? A square in all. So take A square as a common. 1 plus R square plus R to the power 4. In second bracket, you will take the R square, A square, R square as a common. It means A square, R square, R to the power 4. So dear student, this can be written as A to the power 4, A square and A square, A to the power 4 and R to the power square in bracket 1 plus R square plus R to the power 4. This is the 2 times, so whole square is there. Now RHS. What is the RHS? B square plus C square plus D square. No. AB plus BC plus CD whole square. This is the RHS. AB plus BC plus CD whole square. Now you can put the value A as it is and B equal to AR. Again plus AR into AR square. AR square and CD to AR cube whole square is here. Now this can be written as A square R plus A square R cube plus A square r to the power 5 whole square. Now we can take the a square r as a common. A square r as a common. Since whole square is here, we take whole square. Now this becomes 1 plus r as a common. So r square, and this is the r to the power 4. Now this can be written as a to the power 4 r square 1 plus r square plus r to the power 4 whole square. This is whole square. So LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Now this is the question number 6. Now I will explain the question number 26. See the question number 26. Question number 26 is, insert two number between 3 and 81. Question is, insert two number between 3 and 81 such that a resulting sequence in GP. So we have the number 3 and 81. Now you can insert the n number between them. Insert two number between them. Suppose A1 and A2 are the two number and fourth one is the 80, such that 3, A1, A2 and 81 are in GP. Are in GP. So let A1, A2 let A1, A2 is the number between 3 and 81. Now A equal to 3 and number after 4 and A4 equal to 81. So dear student, we can use the formula An equal to Ar to the power n minus 1. So this is the 81, A equal to 3, R as it is, R to the power n minus 1 means 4 minus 1. So this can be 27. So 27 can be written as R to the power 3 and 3 to the power 3 into R to the power 3. So R equal to 3. When equating the base of the equal number, so R equal to 3. Now A1 equal to AR, it means 3 into 3, that is 9, and A2 equal to AR square. So 3 into 3 square, 3 into 9, that is 27. So these two are the number. Now see one more question, that is the 27. Question number 27 is, find the value of n so that this may be geometric mean of A and B. It is given that find the n find the n so that a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 upon a to the power n plus b to the power n may be the geometric mean of a and b. Geometric means mean under root ab. So a to the power half and b to the power half. Now we can multiply a to the power n, b to the power n plus 1. This is equal to a to the power n, b to the power n, and in bracket a to the power half, b to the power half. Can we write it? Now multiply a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1. This can be a to the power n into e के power half b के power half plus b to the power n e के power half b के power half. This can be written as a to the power n plus half b to the power half plus this can be written as b to the power n plus half into b e to the power half. So this can be written as a to the power n plus 1 minus a to the power n plus half into b to the power half. This is equal to b to the power n plus half into e to the power half minus b to the power n plus 1. Now anything is common here, means a to the power n plus half as a common. This gives a to the power half minus b to the power half. Here we can take the common b to the power n plus half. This gives a to the power half into b to the power half. Now this and this are cancelled out. Now this can be written as a by b whole to the power n plus half equal to 1. And 1 can be written as a by b whole to the power 0. Now comparing the exponent of equal base, 1 by half equal to 0. So n equal to minus half. This is the answer. Now remaining other question try to on basis of this, and in next class I will discuss the 28, 29, and after that I will discuss the sum of the n term of special series. Thank you.